We do believe that if we can create more tokenization of assets and securities, and that's what Bitcoin is, it could revolutionize again finance.
Pay very close attention, because this man is one of the most powerful shadow men on the planet. His name? Larry Fink, and his company, BlackRock.
The foundation of BlackRock is about hope. You invest for retirement because you believe tomorrow is better than today.
BlackRock is launching a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US, and Larry has just revealed his exact plans for this. I never realized this is how he thought about it.
It's an advancement of technology. It's no different than the spirit around AI and what AI can do. These are going to be good long-term holds.
Don't tune out, tune in. Reminder, BlackRock has 10 trillion assets under management, and their clients are ready to inject billions into Bitcoin day one once BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF is approved. If you subscribe to Altcoin Daily, I know you do, you understand that Larry Fink has been hinting about this with his friends for quite some time.
This is not going to be an easy task. Capital is moving, and it's going to move very rapidly.
This ETF will cause Bitcoin to skyrocket. Listen to this. Larry Fink lays out exactly how much easier investing in Bitcoin will be for himself, for his friends, for institutions, if/when the BlackRock ETF gets approved. Listen very closely to what Larry Fink says.
We look at this as an opportunity to move one step further in terms of providing investors, fractions of shares, fractions of this, democratizing the cost of investing. Over the last 10 years, we've lowered the cost of iShares ETFs by 30%. So what we're trying to do is make it more accessible, more easy. The attempt in terms of what we're trying to do with crypto is make it more democratized with all the crypto and making it much cheaper for investors. Right now, the bid-ask spread for crypto is very expensive. It does erode a lot of the returns that you speak about because it costs a lot of money right now to transact Bitcoin, and it costs a lot of money to get out of that. And so we hope our regulators look at these filings as a way to democratize crypto, and we'll see in the future how that plays out.
It's amazing to see just how far BlackRock, Larry Fink, and Bitcoin have come. Larry used to be the biggest Bitcoin skeptic of them all. Well, maybe not bigger than Buffett and Munger.
I try and avoid things that are stupid. Bitcoin, it's stupid because it's very likely to go to zero.
But he's top 3. This is the 2018 Larry Fink interview that BlackRock's trying to bury, that BlackRock doesn't want you to see.
Is it true that you're building out a cryptocurrency capability?
No. We're looking at it. We're looking at blockchain technologies, and we're looking at all the crypto.
Blockchain isn't crypto. Blockchain is just the underlying technology. Well, don't your clients want crypto exposure?
No. I don't believe any client has sought out crypto exposure.
Really?
Yes.
But at some point they might. Do you need to be prepared?
I don't, at the moment, no. I have not heard from any one client they're looking to buy a cryptocurrency at this time. But right now, I can tell you it worldwide, I have not heard from one client who said, I need to be in this.
Now, let's compare that answer to his answer today. Because Larry Fink basically gets asked the same question 6 years later, except this time it's framed, answer for yourself. You changed your mind. Explain yourself. Listen to why he says he changed his mind.
You were never a crypto skeptic like Buffett. Buffett and Charlie Munger come out and they say all this bad stuff about it. But you were kind of skeptical.
Yeah, I was skeptical. The early users it was heavily used for, let's say, illicit activities. And I think as it became more accessible, and also I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the onerous problems of any one country or the devaluation of your currency, whatever country you're in, let's be clear, Bitcoin is an international asset. It's not based on any one currency. And so it can represent an asset that people can play as an alternative. The foundation of BlackRock is about hope. You invest for retirement because you believe tomorrow is better than today.
Hey guys, this video is sponsored by TMN Global. TMN Global is the first and only blockchain company to combine technology metals and rare earth metals with cryptocurrency. Technology metals are metals with high demand that are used in technology, like smartphones and computers.
In 2021, the market leader in commodities trading in Europe, EMHAG, partnered with a new blockchain company called Area World AG to develop a virtual asset called TMNG, which stands for Technology Metal Network Global.
This company, or at least its crypto product, is in its early stages, but they're combining crypto and precious metals in an interesting way. Check it out if you like. Based in Zug, Switzerland, TMG Global is currently going through a token sale. Prices increase on August 15th from 21 cents to 25 cents. Follow all laws in your respective jurisdictions. This is not an offer to buy or sell securities, only informational. And if you do participate, they have a giveaway or sweepstakes going on as well, with prizes worth a total of $5,000. First prize is an exclusive dream vacation for 2 people. Second prize is the state-of-the-art 4K TV. Third prize is a voucher for a luxury shopping trip. Check it out. Thank you TMNG for sponsoring today's video. Look, it's no coincidence that BlackRock is doing this before Bitcoin's halving, when Bitcoin supply flow will get cut in half. Wake up! Larry Fink is a Bitcoin blockchain bull now. Now he's on TV singing the praises of Bitcoin and crypto. In this interview, it's the TV anchor who's the skeptic, and Larry Fink is the one standing up for the technology, for the investment, for the revolution. Listen to this.
I don't see the utility in the underlying technology, and isn't that bad?
Well, no, I actually believe the underlying technology is fantastic because the blockchain will help you accelerate the processes of transactions. The blockchain will help you identify. I mean, let's be clear. If you have a pure blockchain and you have knowledge of who the buyers and sellers are, we could then, we don't need custodians anymore. Okay. We don't need, the whole process of finance. Some of the intermediaries are broken down. And so this is why we're all studying.
There, but we're not there.
We're not close to there.
But
it's an advancement of technology. It's no different than the spirit around AI and what AI can do.
We have a deep understanding of BlackRock and their plans for Bitcoin now more than ever. All you have to do is pay attention, like we do. We watch him on TV. We listen to him in podcasts. We understand exactly what he's doing. I mean, Larry Fink is active on the interview circuit nowadays, singing the praises of Bitcoin, singing the praises of crypto. We know exactly what he's going to do.
I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. And if we could have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code of who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement. I mean, the transformation, think about instantaneous settlement, bonds and stock. No middlemen, we're going to bring down fees even more dramatically. As for me, I don't have to vote on any shares anymore because the beneficial owner will do all the voting.
Now is the time, my friends. Now is the time to seriously get involved. We have a bull market on the horizon. If you're interested in making money in crypto, I implore you, subscribe to our channel, stay informed. A bull market is coming. A bull market is here.
The economy is really strong now and getting stronger. It's not getting weaker. We have the 3 large stimulus packages that were enacted over the last year, the Infrastructure Act, the CHIPS Act, and the IRA. It's all just starting the J curve. This is going to, and it was $1 trillion over many years, of stimulus. It's just entering the economy.
Some say it's been too much.
Yes, but it's entering the economy at the same time.
Where are we in the cycle of spending that? Do you know? Halfway, 3/4?
5%. Whoa!
That's it.
We're just starting, Charlie. This is just happening. And so think about how many jobs it takes to rebuild airports and freeways and ports. The job demand from these acts is going to be enormous.